Now, the coronavirus headlines. For the third time this week, Michigan's new cases have topped 600. Today, the state reported 653 new cases and 28 deaths.
The health department of northern Michigan now says several people who attended a party at the Torch Lake Sandbar over the 4th of July have tested positive for coronavirus. They say anyone there should monitor themselves for any possible symptoms.
And the outbreak at Harper's in East Lansing is growing. The Ingham County Health Department says 185 cases are now linked to that bar. Beginning on Monday, right after midnight, new rules about masks go into effect all across Michigan. You must wear a mask indoors and outdoors in public settings, or you might face a $500 fine. Businesses are expected to deny service if you refuse. Grant Herms reports many local businesses are concerned about that.
As store and restaurant owners grapple with the new order requiring masks indoors, the state's largest association of retailers is criticizing that order, encouraging the governor to reconsider portions of her new requirement to wear masks. No shirt, no shoes, no mask, no service, but certainly not no problem, at least not according to the Michigan Retailers Association, which came out strongly against Governor Gretchen Whitmer's new order requiring businesses to enforce the latest round of mask requirements.
In the past several months, we have been encouraging them to either come out with an order that has local police behind it or no order at all.
Megan Holland with the MRA said they'd been working with the governor's office hoping a more strict mask order would involve law enforcement, especially after videos of store workers being berated. As a result, the MRA started hosting law enforcement-style de-escalation training for employers worried about their employees.
Part of the problem is that sales associates aren't trained to do this kind of enforcement, and they aren't paid enough to do this kind of enforcement.
Governor Whitmer said this week the order is meant to answer concerns of business owners.
We've talked to a lot of business and they've actually asked for this because it's been enough room for interpretation that the ambiguity, I think, gave people reason to think that they didn't have to wear masks. You should be wearing a mask.
But the MRA is hoping she reconsiders and has a message for frustrated customers.
But for now, if you're against wearing a mask, don't take it out on the store. They are not the ones who are ordering this. They are being tasked with the enforcement of it.
The MRA is looking into holding more of those online de-escalation training sessions, but they don't quite have a date for those just yet. In Detroit, Grant Herms, Local 4.